This is what Hurricane Melissa left me with, and I am super grateful for it. This is a pumpkin. Hear that sound? Ready. My beautiful pumpkin vine. Some of you would remember that was right here. This is what is left of it after the passage of Hurricane Melissa. But I am super grateful. I have this beauty right here. You can see it is starting to ripen. Before Hurricane Melissa, this was how beautiful my pumpkin patch was looking right here. And there was another one that was volunteered on the pavement over there as well. So you can see, I was getting a lot of male blooms and looking forward to getting all those female blooms and to see them get pollinated. I mean, it was such a beauty. I was so looking forward to, a few pumpkins, but I am still grateful. These two right here were the ones that were volunteered in this pavement right here. I was so looking forward to this, but that's how it is sometimes. Now I am resharing the encouragement that I had in this video about this pumpkin patch and the one right here that is actually growing out of the concrete right here. Like I said, these were volunteers. This is just to show you how marvelous God is and what He can do. So you would think that, oh, you need to have a whole bed of soil with a whole lot of fertilizer. But this is just God's favor. This is how He shows you favor in the middle of your distress and in your desert-like situation. This is what He does. He calls you to bloom, right? This is a prime example of God's favor on your life. So sometimes you may not have the resources like those vines over there. You may not have the privilege, again, like those vines over there, but you're blooming just the same, or maybe even better, to show you how marvelous God is. You may not have the this and the that, but He can bless you right where you are. It's just for you to delight yourself in Him. Of course, I already cleaned up those, so you're not seeing them. Everything was looking like that patch over there. Usually, you would know that the pumpkin is ready by the sound of this, a hollow kind of sound when you knock on it, or you will see that the stem is dry, or the tendril that is closest to the fruit is also dry, but no need for that. We are going to get this baby and we're going to cut it open and see what is inside. It is not a big pumpkin, but little is much when God is in it. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all. My new gardening family, welcome on board. My faithfulers, thank you so much for your unwavering support. My channel members, big up to you all the time. And thank you all so much for your continued prayers for Jamaica. We love and appreciate you. So of course I am going to cut into this and see what's going on inside. I was looking forward to more pumpkins and for this to get bigger, but when I tell you that I'm grateful, I am so grateful. So let us see what is going on inside here. Looks so good inside. Let me bring it closer. Looks really, really good inside. Do you agree? This is a very nice pumpkin. And what I'm going to do is to plant back some of these seeds. I'm going to share this with about 2 persons. Myself make 3. And I think I'm going to cook a piece of it and have it just like that and use the rest in some pumpkin soup. How do you like to have your pumpkin? Comment below and tell me. I hope this video encourages you to grow your own pumpkin. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.